Good morning, beautiful people. Today I am in London and I'm gonna shoot some street photography. I'm so pumped about this because I haven't been here in like 10 years. Last time I was here it was in 2012 and I can't remember shit, so I'm just gonna explore, do my thing. Hopefully you can hear me and there's not too much wind. So today I'm sporting the Fujifilm X-T4 with the 16 to 55. I mean, you just cannot not take a photo of this. Westminster and the Big Ben, it's just, yeah, you just have to. To be entirely honest with you, I thought it would be a lot busier, but maybe it's just too early in the morning. Well, let's go this way. Kinda like it. Now, to be entirely honest with you, I am kind of overwhelmed. Mostly because this city is so fucking big that I spent 2 hours in only a small area and I haven't really shot too much. It makes you feel really small in a city this big. And since I don't know the streets, I don't know the places really well, it's just more difficult to get some cool shots. I just end up taking touristy kind of photos, which is good, but you know.
Alright, nice one for that.
Yo, here's a street photography tip for you. If you're scared that people are going to tell you anything about you taking pictures, don't, because people don't give a fuck really. The worst thing that can happen is that they are going to tell you to delete the photo, but you know, even if you delete it, it's not gonna matter, because it's very unlikely that's gonna be the best photo you've ever taken. So just a thing. I've been walking since this morning. I've ended up in the business district in the city of London. Now I want to go back to Soho and Piccadilly and take a walk there, and then move to somewhere else. Then I think I'm gonna be done for the day, because I'm really tired. I have walked 18,000 steps already, and it's only 1 o'clock. Fuck. You know, I kind of missed the tube. London Underground is so fucking cool. Okay, so at this point I am basically too tired to even take pictures. Like, I'm not even focused on taking shots. I just walk around with my camera in my hand without taking any photo. Therefore, I think it's time to stop this video right here, and I hope you enjoyed it. I would like to come again to London because it's so crazy and it's so huge, and it would take me months and months and months to actually get to know it and to photograph it better. And now I'm gonna go and enjoy a nice cup of whatever hot beverage I can find. See you in the next one.